my brain.
Good morning, my babies. If it's loud, it's because I have the heater on. I hope you guys had a great Christmas. For real, I did. I'm currently at work, and today is like a chill day. Well, I have tasks to do, but it's a chill, quiet day. Seems like so. I just wanted to hop on camera and talk to you guys. My iPad is supposed to be coming today, and I do have an appointment at 3 o'clock, so I will be leaving work a little bit. Oh, I thought that was my package. Every person that walks in, I might be looking through the blinds to see, is it my baggage? Okay, I gotta turn the heater on. It's a little chilly, but how was your guys' holiday? Like, let me know. Talk to me. But my head still hurts, but it feels a lot better. I'm not taking any pills today. I'm just gonna stay hydrated and pray that it goes away. I prayed that it went away last night. Kind of did, but it's still very much hurting. Unfortunately. I want a plushie, y'all. Like, these kids, for these gifts, been getting these little stuffed plushies, but I really want one. I want to buy me and my friend one. My coworker, she wants one too. I just haven't found. I wanted one with my name engraved, like I wanted it to say princess because I'm extra, and I wanted like a pink and gray one so it matches my bed. Like I could hear me better without the AirPod. I just know others are gonna be asking me, "Is your boss? Is she here? Is she here? Is she here? Do you see her? Do you see her? Do you see her?" It's so annoying. It's so annoying. I don't have nothing to talk about until my iPad get here. Bring my stylus in my case because I'm ready. I'm ready and I'm waiting. So, I mean, it's between 10 a.m. to 2:45 p.m. and I leave at 2:45 to 2:30, so I needed to be here. Last time I ordered it came at like 11. So fingers crossed, y'all pray for me. Because I don't want to leave. If I leave and it comes, I'm coming back. That's how bad I want my iPad. I've been waiting on this iPad since I had to send it back. And they still didn't ship it out, which I think is very odd. Why didn't you ship it out? You scanned it, but you didn't ship it out. Because I had to pay for it again to order it. So it was like, give me my refund. See, if I had my iPad, I'll be writing my notes to do on here, not here. But it's cool. It's cool. Be patient. Patience is key. Well, and I would take it around me, but I'm not walking around my job and showing it. I already have to edit these signs out. Well, not this one. Yeah, I don't have to. But I'm still gonna do that because not so much. I can't believe it's about to be New Year's. Oh my God, school starts in literally 2.5 weeks. I'm nervous, y'all, but I'm gonna talk to y'all. my face. I just came from the dentist and it says my iPad is here at my job. So I'm gonna go right up to my job and get my iPad. I look so slow. I look so slow. This is my Uber. Hey y'all, so I'm not gonna lie. My face is a little bit lopsided and swollen. They numbed the crap out of my mouth. Respectfully, but that's neither here nor there. I'm still gonna talk to you. My face looks fatter than usual now, but I'm still gonna talk to you because my iPad came. Yes, it did. As soon as I left my appointment, you know, I had to run back to work, hop right in that car, and got my package. So I'm about to do an actual official unboxing. I'm gonna do it on my floor because my best friend comes tomorrow when I have my little cousin, and hopefully he has a friend with him. If not, it's okay, but we'll thug it out. I need help, and I would ask my father, but I ain't gonna lie. That man be working. I don't feel like bothering nobody. I feel like the young kids, their legs work good, their muscles work good. My daddy getting old. I'll see. I'll probably call just to slide it in there, but if he don't, he don't. Because, yeah. So... this one better work. Like, I'll post that video tomorrow because I have a different upload for today. I look so stupid with my slanted talk, but I'm still cute, period. But I don't know what I'm uploading today. I forgot. I was in the middle of trying to edit it earlier, but I didn't have, like, my service was not working out. I don't know. Dang, I didn't open the box the first time I had it, and now here I am alone. Oh wait, are you supposed to this is why I'm literally just a girl. Cause I just don't like the good thing about it is now I have an extra charger. They still didn't have pinks and I wasn't waiting until January. January is 4 days away. But no, this was supposed to be my Christmas gift and it's the day after Christmas. I have to actually buy a screen protector because when I bought the stylus, I thought I bought screen protector, but I actually did 2 separate orders and then bought stuff for my bedroom. So it's like I never actually got the screen protector, which is not good. But yeah. You know, like in certain iPhones, they say like when you throw it out, it comes with a charger in it. I think that that's cap. I think that they put the charger in the box and it made it seem like it came with it. Like it was something they were doing. Because your phone does not come with a charger. Stop the cap. I've never had an iPhone that came with a charger or both, the box and the cord. I don't know. But when I say this better work and it better work well or it's going to be an issue, for real, I'm not playing. Like, I think they sent me a refurbished iPad, seriously, and that's not cool because I've been a customer with y'all for years and y'all trying to finesse me. You cannot finesse me, baby. I do the finessing. For real. In her case she go. Cause yeah, they had me very upset. Like everybody knows I was so excited for this thing. Ha! I play all day. But I'm glad I have my stylus now, so I can download Notable and start using my notes because I don't like using notepads. Like it's just killing trees for no reason. I'm just kidding. I just don't like using notepads. I don't know how you're supposed to connect this. I'm not gonna lie, but y'all gonna see me figure it out real fast. I'm gonna have to end my video so I can do the setup. I kind of want to just hop in the shower real fast and then play with it because I know once I get on here, I'm going to be on here for a minute. So I'm going to let my phone charge up, play with this, but I do have to do an upload as well. But I just want to show y'all, like, she's back. She's back. I don't even know what the thumbnail was going to be, but because I already have an unboxing. Well, this is the official unboxing, guys. Like, official. Then let me tell you how they put the wrong address to my job. I tell them 4, they put 6. Like, are y'all trying to give me a heart attack? I was at my dentist's office freaking out, telling everybody, like, is it there? Is it there? Is it there? Can you check? Anybody know me, when I want something, I'm not going to be quiet about it until I get it. Like, I don't even play like that, especially because this is not cheap. This is a $500 iPad. People be stealing and stuff. You can't just be doing that. Like, you got to get it right the first time. When I say something, please put it in right. So I don't know how to connect this to it. Yeah, so I gotta figure this out. It scrolls, but it's not selecting. Oh, I have to bang it. So I really need a screen protector, because but yeah, I'm gonna set it up with my device, and I'll get back to y'all. You'll probably see me in a different outfit 9 times out of 10, because I'm about to go hop in the shower. When I come home, I just like to try to shower, like, unless I have a specific video or something, or I'm about to cook, which I am about to cook. I'm not gonna lie, but dang. I'm gonna end this vlog off right here then, because I have footage from earlier when I was at work. I'm not gonna lie. I'll make a separate vlog, maybe of me cooking. I'm probably lying too. I'm not gonna lie. My stomach hurts so bad, and I just want to play on my iPad. I just want to play on my iPad all night, and I'll edit on here. Hopefully everything goes well. Please wish me luck. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Ignore my crookedness. Let me not drop it. Ignore my crookedness. Your girl's gonna be numb for a good couple hours. I don't even want to be on camera because I look hit, but thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting all of my new subscribers. We are literally like 30 followers, 30 subscribers away from 1,000. I appreciate everybody that is supporting me from word of mouth, supporting me on their own, supporting me from seeing me promoting on my other socials. I appreciate that. Every subscriber counts. Every single one matters. And yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna continue posting besides Vlogmas. I'm gonna make sure I get the rest of my Vlogmas content up for this month, and I will continue to be consistent. May not be every day, but it definitely will be throughout the week that you'll still see my face pop up. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe with this video, and I'll be back with more videos. I hope y'all had a great holiday, and we made it through Vlogmas, so pat on our back, even though for y'all it's not over because I still have to upload those, but we made it through Vlogmas. I hope y'all are proud of me, because I really was uploading every day except 2 days. One of those days was not my fault. One of those days was. I take full responsibility. I was lacking. I apologize, but my mouth is literally falling asleep as I talk. I don't know if y'all can see that. So I'm gonna end it right here. I love you if nobody told you that today. I believe in you if nobody told you that today. And continue to show up for me, because I'm gonna show up for y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'll be back with more videos. Bye.
My brain is made for